Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. Today we are going to learn an important section of the grammar, that is articles. What are articles? A and the. These three are called articles. So let us know the definition of the articles. Articles are determiners. Determiners means the word which is used before a noun. And articles are also called as adjectives. Why we are calling articles as adjectives? Because what is the function of adjective? To qualify a noun. So the same function is done by articles. Articles qualifies, modifies, describes a noun. Articles talks about only noun. These articles are very useful in the English grammar. It is also called as the eighth part of speech. So the articles are mainly used based upon the sounds. So the writing of identifying the articles is very easy when you identify the sound of the letters. So let us see the order of articles. Here the first order is article plus noun. Here what is the article here? A. And boy is a noun. So article plus noun. So we can write a article before a noun. Next, second is article plus adjective plus noun. Example, a good boy. Here boy is a noun, whereas good is a adjective because it qualifies the noun. It tells about the boy, how the boy is. How the boy is? He is good. So it qualifies the noun. So it is a adjective, and here it is a article. So before adjective also we can use the article. Next, here article plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. Here a very good boy. Already we have seen noun. This is adjective. And adverb here, it qualifies the adjective, good. How good is? Very good. So before adverb also we can use this article when it qualifies the adjective. Remember, you can use before adverb when adverb qualifies the adjective. So dear friends, this is very important. So here this order of article clearly says that we can use an article before a noun, before an adjective, and before an adverb. When adverb qualifies the adjective also we can use the article. So let us see the types of articles. So already we have seen a and the. All of you think that there are three articles, but actually there are two types of articles are there. What are they? Indefinite article and definite article. Only these two types of articles we are having in our English grammar. What are indefinite articles? A or an comes under indefinite article, and definite article means the. So here why it is called as indefinite article and why it is called as a definite article. Let us see. Indefinite means it is not sure about noun. It is not sure about a noun. Example, a boy gave this package, and somebody, your brother will ask or your sister will ask, who gave this package? And you will say, a boy gave this packet. You don't know. You are not sure who the boy is. You don't know who the boy is. You are not sure about that boy. Now let us see the definite article. The definite article means the. Why we are calling it as definite article? Because it's definite. Definitely we are very sure about a noun. We are very definite about a noun. Example, the girl who got first rank is my daughter. You are very sure about the noun. What is the noun here? Girl. So you know You know the girl because she is your daughter. So you are very particular and you are very definite about the noun. That's why it is called as a definite article. So during that unique purposes, specific purposes, we will use the. Okay children, now before knowing about articles, we should know about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. These are very important to know while you are learning about articles. So what are countable nouns? We can count the nouns. For example, one pencil here. This is one pencil. And two pencils, 3 pencils, 4 pencils, 5 pencils. Like this, we can count. Pencil is a noun. We can count the nouns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is possible to count the nouns. It is possible to count the pens. It is possible to count the erasers. So, we can count some of the nouns. So, these nouns, countable nouns, are used while writing an article. While writing an article, we have to use only countable nouns, singular nouns. And uncountable nouns are there. We cannot count some of the nouns. Example, sugar, hay, water. Sugar. This is sugar. Can you count sugar? 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar. Can you count sugar? We can't. It is impossible to count the sugar. Can you count your hair? Can you count 1 hair, 2 hair? Can you count the water? Some nouns are uncountable nouns. It is impossible to count. So, we should not use articles before the uncountable nouns. We have to use the articles before countable nouns only. So, you should remember this while identifying an article or while writing an article. Now let us see the indefinite article and definite article in detail. What are indefinite articles? An. What are an? A. What is indefinite article? Definite article? The. So we can discuss in detail about these articles in the next video.